Alright, so where I left off last time was after I got everything all plugged in and put back together, as far as the wiring that and rewiring the radio, I drilled a hole through that. So after rewiring that, I come to find out that this window doesn't want to roll down and the stereo won't turn on. It keeps saying rewire, check rewire. So I went through and started pulling these guys because two of them were already super loose and I'm going to have to repin them anyways. So I started pulling them one by one until I got to the one that I suspected the least, which was the blue and green one. Which, when I remembered I was doing this, I thought, oh shit, I might have mixed up the blue and green ones because there's two wires. One is one brown, one is two browns, and one is silver. And in the process of mixing, matching, extending those, I just mixed them up. You know, shit happens, whatever. But, so, in this process, I have now determined that through logical deduction that my speaker wire, which is wired, I assumed it was this door that was the problem, so I just went right for these guys. The blue with green, and then the blue and green, so I just quickly popped off all this, checked the blue and green, got my continuity with my finger in the way, and just hit the blue and green, and I have continuity. I double checked this by going ahead and, I don't know if I can do this with one hand, but it does do it from here down to here. There is continuity. Maybe I can get it to that. I don't know. At the door switch. So there's my problem. I just gotta clip those two wires. Luckily I have a bunch of room right here. Clip them, resolder them, rewrap them, tuck them back in. Obviously make sure they all work before I tuck them back in. And I got a little bit of rewiring down here to do. And then that'll be that. Unless I decided to cut a whole loom in half, just for the fun of it. Alright, so I just got done shoring up everything. Haven't tested the speaker, but I assume it works. What I did was just rewired these, some shrink wrap, switched this blue-green wire with this blue-green wire, which is right here, and then wherever the other one is, right there on the speaker wire. So yeah, I'm assuming that'll work because this guy now works at the switch and on that one. I don't feel like leaning over there to do it, but it works on both. And I guess since everything's wired, I'll go ahead and give this a shot. See if this guy will turn on for me. I lost the face. It's the first time the face has come off of the stereo ever. I don't even know how it goes back on. Let's search. Let's go. What, ain't? Fucking girl. How the fuck do you do this? Well, whatever. For some reason it's working somehow. With the face half on, half off. But it doesn't tell me to shut it off right away, so I think we're golden. I think I'm gonna go ahead. Yes, I'm just gonna wrap this stuff up now. Tuck it all away. It looks like it's gonna rain anytime. I got some company coming over in about an hour, so yeah, I'm gonna wrap this up, call it a good one. Hey, I think all my wiring's almost done. Knock on wood. Oh no. Oh, oh no. Uh-oh. Well, it looks like I'm gonna be running this a little awkwardly back to the stereo. I was about to wrap them all up together Oh wait, I forget, the other one's unclipped. Oh, hooray! I can unclip and rethread through. Jeez, for a second there I thought I wired myself around the bend. Oh my god. That always sucks. That always sucks. Alright, sweet.